What's up, everybody? Happy holidays. We're back in the Dare to Be Test Kitchen. I'm with my beautiful mom, Beth Weirick. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
I'm so excited that we get to do this together again.
Me too. I'm very excited. So thank you. Shout out Metro Market. We're going to do a holiday brunch today. We're trying to keep it simple.
Yes.
This looks elaborate, but tell us what we got going on.
Prepared food. Metro Market is going to make us look like $1 million entertaining for this holiday brunch, right?
Yes.
So, of course, we have fresh holiday flowers. We've got a wonderful berry tart. We've got some fresh fruit, cinnamon buns with some classic icing.
Yep.
The most amazing cheese board. I just can't even believe how beautiful and stunning it is.
Yeah, can I jump on that before you go? Because literally I went into Metro Market and this is a specialty like cheese platter for the holidays and I was blown away.
We're going to do make your own breakfast sandwiches with a very secret sauce that is going to really zhuzh it up. And then we have some bourbon maple bacon.
Which is complicated to say.
Yeah, and then of course some regular breakfast links. So, and I'm also excited because Shawna's secret holiday punch.
Secret. The internet gave me a secret holiday punch to share
so
with all of you.
I'm very excited because preparation is going to be easy.
I love it. We have the oven preheated already for the bacon at 400. As my mom calls this, her easy bake oven. We're gonna put the cinnamon rolls in there.
Metro Market makes it so easy with all of this prepared food. And trust me, who doesn't love to make homemade food, right? But this is really making it easy so you can focus on just a few minor things, like making those made-to-order egg sandwiches because the rest of the side dishes are pretty much already done.
Here's a fun holiday question then. What is the all-time, as the kids would say, GOAT cookie, holiday cookie?
Oh, for me, it's our homemade sugar cookies, for sure. With, you know, the cutouts, you make the sugar cookie dough, a little tiny bit of lemon in there, which I always think is sort of a secret little recipe. Do you want to do bacon and I'll just get the sausage started?
Yeah, because bacon's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes, right? To make it crispy.
All right.
And then while that's cooking, we also have to, how long do you think these cinnamon rolls are gonna take? I didn't look into that.
I think because it's a reheat, we'll probably
13 minutes.
I'm thinking, how do you know that?
I guess it feels good in my
13
soul.
minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this going.
What's your favorite all-time holiday Christmas song? All time.
Well, it's The Best Gift by Barbara Streisand because Shawna was born December 23rd, and The Best Gift is a song about a baby at Christmas time. What's your all-time favorite Christmas song?
Mariah Carey's Christmas, Baby Please Come Home.
Of course.
That one is a good one. I know All I Want for Christmas is like the GOAT. How's that?
It's beautiful.
Nice.
Ready?
Flip this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna actually put this in, and I'm gonna set the timer for 15 minutes, Shawna.
Okay, Mom.
I'm gonna go ahead and this beautiful fresh fruit display.
In a bowl?
I am, because even though this container is perfectly fine, and trust me, there are days that I would just serve this beautiful fruit right out of this container, but I'm gonna put it right here in Grandma's crystal bowl as if I have painstakingly sliced all of this, washed all of it, and cleaned it myself.
Oh, look how wonderful it is.
And it is beautiful.
It is ready to rock and roll.
Delicious.
It's one of my favorite things. Almost every time I walk into Metro Market, it's like the first thing, and you're like almost guilted into buying fruit.
Yes.
Because you should always have some fruit, right? Like,
And yes.
You like that? Yeah.
We're gonna start on the punch now.
Yeah.
Shawna's secret holiday punch recipe, which I'm really happy to help you with.
Secret. Don't show them the secret.
Don't look at the secret recipe ingredients. Boy, these are browning up beautifully.
They smell delicious.
And you can smell the bourbon maple bacon. Bourbon making bacon.
See? It just gets stuck in there.
That seems like a holiday bacon.
What is your favorite holiday movie that you could binge watch?
Well, I do love The Christmas Story.
Yeah, you'll shoot
I
your
love
eye out,
that one.
Ralphie.
Yes, you'll shoot your eye out. The Red Rider, for sure. It is a classic. And there's a reason why it just airs all day long, right?
I think so. I mean, that's why
I do really enjoy, I love the old school movies. I love Miracle on 34th Street.
Yeah.
I love that one.
Yeah,
And I love Bing Crosby, White Christmas.
I know you do.
And I love that song too.
Yeah, I love Christmas Story. I love Elf. I love Home Alone 1 and 2, so the original and then Lost in New York. I love Polar Express. Like,
oh, I forgot about Polar.
That one.
Believe in the Bell.
Yeah, I love that with the
I
Jingle
love
Bell
that one.
and the Hot Chocolate song is probably one of my
Okay.
favorite Christmas songs
Okay.
that I like. Maybe I think is underrated, and then you watch the dance scene and you want to drink hot chocolate.
Yes.
This is done. We just add this for a fizzy effect before we serve it.
Okay,
so let's
and
wait.
do we slice up any of the fruits?
Yeah,
yet?
we have to slice up apple and
Okay,
oranges.
I could help you
They're
with
mostly
that.
garnish.
Okay. The beauty is, for anybody, you can really make a fast, easy holiday brunch without having to worry too much or even be a fantastic cook.
Well, and again, the ability to spend time with people
Right.
is the goal. So that's like what the holidays are about, right? Is the quality time. Just being present with each other is, you know, for that quote is like the best present I think you can be. And I'm grateful that our family gets to have that time together and
I
do
agree.
this kind of stuff.
I agree.
Top secret sauce might be done. Hopefully this tastes good.
All right, top secret sauce. And I do have the avocados if that's going to be a side.
I'm pretty excited about this.
I am excited as
Top
well.
secret breakfast sandwich sauce.
And
It's like McGriddle meets home cooking. So as you saw, I put some a little bit of maple syrup in there, plain Greek yogurt. We did Dijon mustard, stone ground mustard, and literally a pinch of paprika. So do you want to maybe do a little taste test?
is that all right? Here's
Yeah.
the taste testing spoons.
Oh, we have
in here.
taste testing spoons.
Yes,
in here.
here we go.
Taste testing spoons. Go ahead.
All right. Ooh,
Yeah. Yeah.
wow.
We made too much.
Ooh.
So.
Love that. Seriously.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
So we were talking about Christmas movies.
Okay.
How do you define a Christmas movie? Right? Like everyone argues is Die Hard a Christmas movie.
Okay, but see, I would say I would not, in my book, no, Die Hard does not meet my criteria of sweet, loving, family.
This goes back to the music
celebration
as well.
Yeah.
But it kind of is a
So-
celebration.
Blood and guts and guns and violence.
But they're celebrating at the end.
It's not a Christmas
There's
movie
a
to me.
celebratory
I know.
scene.
How do you define a Christmas movie?
Some would argue that if there's a Christmas scene in the movie, a la Harry Potter, a la Die Hard, like, then it's a Christmas movie. Goodfellas.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like a cool juxtaposition on
Okay.
what you think Christmas is supposed to be, but maybe it's something else for somebody else.
Right.
They got some business to take care of
They got
before
some
they can go to
really
the holiday dinner.
important family business to take care of.
Yeah. How do you feel about this temperature here?
I'm feeling good about it.
Do you want to use olive oil or butter on yours? What would you prefer?
I'm going to use olive oil on mine.
When you
What are
splash
gonna
yours,
do?
I'll do the same thing, please.
All right.
I'm going to do 2 eggs for mine.
I'm thinking these sausages are browning beautifully, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Just putting a little bit because they are so fresh. They were not pre-cooked, so it takes a little bit longer time, just like the bacon, but definitely fresh. They smell delicious.
Everything does.
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah.
A little salt for me, a little salt for you,
Thank you.
a little pepper. I feel like we're closing in.
Yeah, we are.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, it is. What's a favorite present you've ever given?
Oh my gosh. When you were little, you really wanted a Cabbage Patch Kid
Yeah,
and
Derek.
Derek. And if you have no idea, like what a rage the Cabbage Patch Kids, like they were so trending.
No, I do get
And
it.
every kid wanted a Cabbage Patch doll.
This is without the internet.
And right, this is like you literally had to go from store to store to store and cross your fingers that there was going to be one for you. And then that you weren't going to get into a fight.
You
getting
would never
it.
get into a fight. You might use some stern words or
Yes.
write a sternly worded letter.
But it just so happened, I was literally walking in to the toy section as he was this employee of the store was unloading, and I think it was literally 5 or 6. And Shawna, I almost started crying.
I didn't know this story.
I was so happy. Oops. I was so happy
I never heard this story.
that I found a Cabbage Patch doll for you.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank
yes.
you.
Yes.
I have a lot of love for Derek.
Yes, I know you do.
Derek, that was my best friend.
Yes, yes. So that was one of those gifts that it was very meaningful. Very, very meaningful. Yes. All right. What are you doing on yours?
Provolone, but I'm gonna put sauce on first.
Okay. I was gonna put my little cheese right on top of this.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Whoa, that's gorgeous.
Oh, thank you
It's like
so
you have your own
much.
cooking show.
Yeah. I mean, and then I would do a little bit of that sauce.
Okay.
Can I get you a provolone cheese?
Yes, I was gonna check my eggs.
Okay.
And how I
you?
like to do it is I would like to put the eggs on here and then put it back in the pan and let it melt that way.
Oh, got it. Oh,
Is
what a
that
great
cool?
idea. Yes.
Do you want me to put some sauce on yours?
Sure.
Just one
yes,
side?
please. Yes, please.
You got it. What do you?
Are you flipping your eggs or do you want me to flip them for you?
If you want, you can flip them.
Okay, may I put this on your plate?
Yeah.
All right, that's your provolone.
Thanks.
All right.
This has been a blast.
I know.
I love being in your kitchen with you. So first of all, thank you for opening up your home to an impromptu brunch where now we're gonna have a bunch of people come in and eat at your table. I love food because of you, and I love feeding the people that I love. So thank you, Metro Market, for letting me feed the people I love this holiday season. Cheers. Happy and healthy holidays to you and to yours.